Hey everybody, Mark Dorsey here, and in this short video I want to tell you about some things that are happening with regards to SIA PI training. So if you are an SIA approved PI trainer, then you need to listen to what I'm going to tell you very, very carefully because it affects you directly. Now what I'm going to tell you has come to me in two emails, one from the Security Industry Authority and the other from Pearson's, our awarding organisation. The correspondence I got was post two meetings that were held on the 20th and the 28th of March this year. They were hosted by Tracy Lilly, who is the Quality and Risk Manager for the SIA, and they were attended by a number of training providers that's on the SIA approved master training list. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend either of the meetings, so I'm just telling you exactly what I've been told, which has been agreed by everyone who is in attendance. So bear with me as I read out exactly what it says on the email. This is an update for all Pearson's approved centres who provide the physical intervention training. Following the SIA meetings with PI endorsed providers and awarding organisations in March 2018, it was agreed by all involved that all endorsed providers would ensure that from the 1st of June 2018, extensions to physical intervention PI certificates are not to be granted. In exceptional circumstances and on a case-by-case basis, an approved provider may give an individual an extension, maximum 28 days. This does not mean a 28-day extension. It means an extension of an appropriate number of days until the next refresher training program is running. The PI license certificate plus any subsequent refresher certificates will include a photograph of the individual, which can then be cross-checked by the EQA/AO. To standardise the wording on refresher certificates for easier reading for AOs and EQAs, suggested wording is to be added on all certificates. Learner name is approved to deliver Level 2 Physical Intervention Skills Training for the private security industry Licence to Practice qualifications. Now, as the directive has come from the SIA, the same will obviously apply to all other awarding organisations. So, if you are an SIA approved PI trainer, then please check that your training provider is aware of these new changes because they come into effect on the 1st of June this year, 2018. Also, please make sure that you check when your refresher is due, because what they're insisting on now is that we, and this includes us as a training provider, can't grant extensions to certificates. We may, and we have to give reasons for this on a case-by-case basis, grant them for a maximum of 28 days, but that's only to allow us to set the training course. So in other words, if we run a course, say on the 13th of March, and we can't get a venue until the 30th of March, that would sort of be acceptable. But what they're saying is that we can't grant someone an extension to a certificate for any other reasons, but we do obviously have to take into consideration reasonable adjustments, individual circumstances, but we have to deal with that on a case-by-case basis. So if you miss, and this is important for you to understand, if you are an SIA approved trainer, if you miss your refresher, you can't get a bridging certificate for 6 months, 3 months, a year until the next refresher, irrespective of how long you've been doing this, because they're saying it's a maximum of 28 days. So please bear that in mind, because that's obviously going to affect you directly. Now, our next refresher is on our website. There is a link below. So please check if you're due a refresher, when that refresher is, and get yourself booked on it. If you have trained with us and there's any issues in attending next refresher, then get in touch with me as soon as you can, and we'll do all we can to help you. But we now are bound by what's been agreed and approved by all those people who attended those meetings, which sadly and unfortunately I wasn't able to attend. So that's it. Don't shoot the messenger. That's what the SIA have put out. That's what the awarding organisations are now endorsing, and it is what it is, I'm afraid. So any comments, get in touch, or leave a comment below, and if I can be of any help to you whatsoever, drop me an email, leave a comment beneath, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for listening, guys.